Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Imagine driving behind this guy in his truck. Slow and steady, right into your side bumper. That could have ended very seriously. I drive a truck, so I am the king of the road.
What the fuck? Seriously?
I wonder how many exits this guy misses on a daily basis. Was it really worth it though? Roundabouts. Never heard of them. What every single American has ever said.
Where is she going? Oh my god! She's going on a trip in her favorite... What are you doing? Gertrude. Gertrude. Gertrude!
I don't know. They're
Oh
driving
my
in circles.
god!
Honey, I just brought some fresh McDonald's. I'm surprised the BMW sensors didn't go off. I'm more concerned about what the van was delivering to be wobbling like that.
Are you serious, man? Jesus Christ, man. 1HG50.
Insane reaction time, mate. Plot twist, the wife was driving and started yelling before she even hit the car.
God damn it!
I wonder what the hurry for this driver was. Not going to lie, that lane must have been hard to even notice in the first place with all that snow. How did that even get there in the first place? Someone please comment what you think happened here. I'm still confused. Was this really that serious? driver probably thought that they were just taking another lane. It's green when I say so.
A few moments later.
Nope. The light was green for so long. Not going to lie, I think this could have easily been avoided. That insurance check must have been nice though. A driver running a red light. A driver running a red light again.
A few moments later.
I wonder what this guy was in a hurry for.
12 seconds later.
No tints on the front windows. Still can't see. I don't think you could have waited any longer to change your mind here. Speeding and cutting off a normal driver is already bad, but cutting off a truck, not one, but two. Now that's some bravery. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.